Independence Day. So today we are celebrating Independence Day. This independence gets from British rule in 1947, August 15th. So that's onwards we celebrate the Independence Day every year. So this is the 80th Independence Day of our nation. In our nation, totally celebrate so many festivals like that in our religion. Next state-wise, that's why. But all over India celebrates the some festivals. Those called what the national festivals. In these national festivals, so overall India celebrates only two festivals. That is, first one is Independence Day, second one is Republic Day. Okay, so in this Independence Day, our Prime Minister hosting the flag, and next our President influenced the flag at January 26th. Okay, so today our Prime Minister calls the implementation of Viksit Bharat 2047. Okay, so thank you for giving this opportunity to the principal sir and correspondent madam. Thank you. Next speech by our